Good afternoon guys, hope you're all well. Welcome to another video for Advanced in Car. Today's video is a 2020 VW Crafter. So this particular Crafter has come to us from a local conversion company called Revamp a Van, good friends of ours, and we also, businesses cross at times, so we're always recommending each other. Now this in the moment is in mid-build, but the customer was keen to get a couple of security products fitted. Most importantly, get the genuine VW reversing camera. Now, because we live on the Dorset coast, we've got some lovely seagull poo on here. We've not had time to clear off, but to be honest, it's probably easier with a jet wash. The reversing camera, as you can see, replaces the high level brake light that would normally be installed on the top, and then we replace it as a whole unit and the reversing camera is mounted on top. There are aftermarket models that look very similar, but you won't get 2 years warranty with them if you do go down that road. So this is genuine Volkswagen. We order it through the chassis number. The last time we did a VW Crafter, because it's the SY chassis, but I think it was about 4 years ago. So this particular model works, same principle, is the camera gets fitted, and I'm just going to just open the doors here and show you a little bit about now. Typically, on most vans, you won't be seeing this. So as I said, this is in mid-build at the moment for having its camper conversion. But either way, we've got to get that cabling, once it's all in and fitted, and then down and through along to the main part of the vehicle and towards the head unit. Now that differs. It either can be done through the roof lining and in down through, or in some instances when these motorhomes or campers come to us and they're fully converted, then we have to go down the frame by the light cluster and along the bottom of the vehicle in some Copex tubing. Either way, it then makes its way to the front, which is the head unit. So we'll have a quick jump in and show you that now. So sat in the cab, this is one of the nicer factory fitted head units. It's not the nav model, but it is the media model, so still color touchscreen. The one model before this was really basic, whereas this is a little bit more intelligent, just doesn't have the nav. But if you've got things like App Connect, you can still use Apple CarPlay and whatnot. And I think it's an 8-inch display on these, which is fitting for such a big vehicle. So a few other little bits and pieces fitted in here from factory, which makes this a good camper conversion. But all we're going to do is we're going to put the vehicle into reverse gear. As soon as you put it into reverse gear, then you've got a nice clear image of what's going on behind you. Because this is the genuine VW Lowline camera, you only get these fixed guidelines, and that's the green and the red being your danger point on the horizontal. Now, with the Highline camera, you would then get moving guidelines, but you wouldn't get a Highline camera with the high level brake light. You would have to opt for one of the door mounted cameras or grab bar mounted cameras in the range, and we generally don't get involved with those. We've only ever fitted the Lowline high level brake light camera. If you put your hand towards the display, you can then look at your parking sensors, providing you've got them fitted, and then when you want your reversing camera, simply go back to your reversing camera, and then that screen will then just time out and give you the nice clear reversing camera. The also added benefit really is then that you've got the parking sensors on the left hand side. Volkswagen and Audi have started to move away from that now, which I quite liked the overlay of the parking sensors, but they've gone on to other things. So this, if you've got this, I think is a great bit of kit. So this is a 2020 SY, that's the chassis SY, VW Crafter, and we have fitted the genuine VW high level low line brake light camera. If you've got a vehicle like this and you're interested, whether it's an empty panel van, fully converted motorhome, or partially converted motorhome, then get in touch with us. We're based in Poole on the south coast, near where all the seagulls are, and you can come to us and get it fitted. It normally takes around 4 to 5 hours to do. Website links in the bio. Thank you for watching.